in LP school, we studied geography. In Assamese, the teacher used to tell us, to teach us, Bhu mane Prithvi, Gul mane Gurania. What is geography? Geography means, they said, Bhu is the world, the earth, and Gul means round, the world is round. Then only we started studying geography. On the first day, they never told us this is the map of India. No. Same way, when we went to college, in economics, first of all, they taught us, the teacher, the professor, sweated themselves to teach us to understand what is economics in the first days. They did not tell us in the beginning that this is the theory of Ricardian theory of money. No, they never told us. But what is economics? The same way, when Indian people wanted to revive, wanted to have independence, country of their own, our thinkers, first of all, revived. Who are the Aryans? They said, who are the Aryans? And they formed Aryan Samaj. And who are the Brahmin? So they formed Brahmo Samaj and Prarthana Samaj. Then only they started working for independence and revival, for renaissance. Now, therefore, we are laboring to develop our people. So who they are? Are they Negro? Or are they Aryans? Or are they Caucasians? Or are they Mongolians? So we are aware that all the tribes people of Northeast India, not only in Northeast, but Leh, Ladakh, Kargil, and in Coast Bihar and all, we are all Mongolian people. Then, and we should be proud of being Mongolian people, because we cannot change it. It is not by choice. It was there for us. It is not by choice. Just because I want to be Mongolian, so I'm Mongolian. No, it's not like that. It is in the DNA. Therefore, calling ourselves tribals is a misnomer. Tribal is adjective. It is not the name of a race at all. The word came from Latin, from tribus. From tribus, tribus means the three divisions of ancient Roman people. From there only the word tribes came into being. We are saying we are tribals. It is adjective. How can there be plural in adjective? There is no plural in adjective. It is bihekonot ki boli plural plural nathake nohoy bihekonot Ohomiyat kole. There cannot be plural. So we are tribes people, if we want to say. If we cannot leave out the word tribes, we can say we are tribes people. Now, therefore, the keynote address. Constitution is a legal framework for building a nation. Justice B.L. Hansaria stated that the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India was a mini constitution. Chief Justice of Supreme Court Muhammad Hidayatullah stated that it was a constitution within a constitution. The framers of Indian Constitution wanted the tribal areas given in paragraphs 1 and 20 to be mini nations within India. Most of us know what are the articles of the Constitution, but we do not know the concept of Constitution. This is our problem. It has created lots of problems in Karbi Anglong. The framers of the sixth schedule, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, now I want to say, I am not the father of sixth schedule. I am not the father of the sixth. The father of sixth schedule is Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy. It was he who drafted the sixth schedule. And in fact, because of the strength of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, sixth schedule came into being. Nichols Roy, Gopinath Bordoloi and others expected that the number of scheduled tribes, MLAs in Assam, would increase and that they would be able to utilize their weight in Assam Assembly for the good of the tribes people themselves. The framers also expected that the governor would wisely utilize his discretionary powers under paragraphs 20BA and 20BB in dealing with the areas governed by the sixth schedule. So the framers of the sixth schedule vested much power with the governor of Assam. Unfortunately, now the governors follow Article 163 of the Constitution instead of sixth schedule for autonomous councils. Now, we say sixth schedule of Constitution. No, this is wrong. Sixth schedule to the Constitution of India. To the Constitution of India, not of. Contrary to the belief of the framers of the Constitution, there seemed to be a deep hatred in the minds of many MLAs and ministers in Assam Assembly against the sixth schedule from inception. Therefore, although making of rules under paragraph 2, subparagraph 7 for conduct of elections and preparation of voter lists of the autonomous district councils was the first legislative step all the autonomous district councils were to take. This step has not been taken till today, even after 73 years. Making of these rules is the essence of autonomy. We, the APHLC, urge upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to make the rules, but KAAC refused to make. APHLC approached the Honorable High Court via PIL number 9, 2017, which passed their judgment dated 13/7/2018, directing the KAAC to make the rules within 6 months as per the sixth schedule. The KAAC delayed for 7 years. Later, the KAAC claimed to have made, but they wrongly and intentionally submitted the bill under Article 163 of the Constitution, instead of directly sending the bill to the governor under paragraph 20BA of the sixth schedule. The Assam government never forwarded the bill to the governor. This is the problem. BTC passed 14 acts. I was principal secretary there. 14 acts. It was submitted to the government and dust were falling on this. And these were never passed. This is the demerit of national political party in power in autonomous councils and state government. They have their high commands who do not bother so much about small tribes people. Next comes the land of the hill tribes people. The prime object of a constitution of a nation to protect the land and its hill tribes people. But since it is an autonomous tribal area, the land and revenue law must be made by hill tribes people themselves in the autonomous district.